goes on like this. So the question 14th one is the question. We are going to do it. So 14th one question goes on as overdraft. From the following particulars, ascertain the balance that would appear in the cash book of Sri Tushar Singh as on 31st December 24 by preparing a bank reconciliation statement, he said. And he gave us the balance of overdraft as per passbook. So he gave us what? Overdraft as per passbook, that is 14,620. Then he said checks drawn but not cashed by the customer is 2,600. Checks paid into the bank but not cleared 4,500. Interest on overdraft not yet entered in the cash book. Then bank charges debited in passbook only. Then bill receivable dishonored on 31st December, intimated to the customer in the first week of January. Then the last one, the credit side of the cash book has been undercast by 370. In next last one is insurance premium paid by the bank not shown in the cash book. So this is the question he has given to us. So shall we start with the sum now? He said it is a overdraft balance. So because it is a overdraft balance as per the passbook. So what did I said? As per the passbook means whatever the overdraft we are doing, the proof book is going to be the same book, I said. Proof book is also going to be what? Same book. So here he gave us the overdraft as per the passbook. So for me, which book is important now? For me, the same passbook only is important for me because I'm going to prepare as per the passbook itself. So for me, passbook is important. So passbook, I'm going to do it up. Now everything, anything is there in the passbook, I have to take it, and anything which is missing in the passbook, I am going to cancel from the other book also. So that is our rule. We are going to usually follow it. So here for me right now, the passbook is more important than any other book. So here he gave us, did he give us a date? Let's see. He gave us a date as on 31st December 24, he said. So here my BRS is going to be. So my BRS bank reconciliation statement is going to be as on BRS. As on 31st December 24. So he gave us what? Particulars. Particulars. Now everyone keep working part in front of you because I'm not going to do it on this one. So you people are going to keep the working part in front of you. Have your working notes beside you and then start it. Okay, fine. So here first one, he gave us overdraft. So overdraft as per passbook. Everyone keep passbook as a proof book. Underline that one or else stick that one. This is fine. So here he gave how much is the total? 14,620 he gave us. Fine. So for me, what is important now? For everything, for me, my passbook is important. Here add, I'm going to write it off and then I'm going to mention it as less now. So for everything, keep that in your working part that for us, what is important for us? The passbook is important. So keep a working notes in front of you. The first transaction goes as checks drawn but not cashed by the customer. Checks drawn means what? Checks drawn. Checks drawn means I said it is a nature of expenditure. It is a nature of expenditure. And default the posting. Shafia, income kaisa hua? Checks drawn, in issued, drawn, everything is what? Expenses, right? So it is a nature of expenses and it will be default in the cash book. It will be default first in the cash book. Okay. So right, Shruti. So it will be default in the cash book. But here he says it is not been cashed by the customers. That matlab, customer did not take the amount. So when customer is not taking the amount, a banker will not deduct the amount, right? So here that is what he is saying. Banker couldn't able to deduct because customer leke nahi gaya paisa. He didn't take a money itself. So that's why banker is not showing. Is this clear? This is something new he has given. Every time he'll say it is not cleared or something like that. But here he's saying that it is not being taken up by the customer. When customer doesn't take, banker will not react, right? So इसलिए bank these transaction of expenses which is on the cash book is not being shown in the passbook. Now for me, what is important? For me, my passbook is important. Passbook says there is no such transaction in there. So simply I have to cancel it or not. So cancel it means the sign is going to take what? Plus. Check drawn or issued but not cleared in passbook. So how much is the amount? It is not cleared in the passbook, 2,600. Is this fine? Is this clear for everyone? Next, checks paid into bank but not cleared. Checks paid means what? Checks paid means what? Checks paid, checks paid, checks paid, checks paid into bank. Checks only who will answer me? Ashwati, right? Income and default posting will be in which book? Yeah, right. Income, default posting will be in which book? Checks paid into bank. Default it will be in which book? CB और PB. जल्दी जल्दी ये टाइप करना. CB और PB. It is in the cash book, right? It is in the Ritika, right? It is in the cash book. So here it is there in that it is in the cash book plus side, but it is not been cleared. It seems means he is indicating about which book passbook. Passbook may it is not showing this transaction. But for me, passbook is important, right? When passbook is not showing this transaction, then default it should not be even in the cash book. So please cancel it. So when I'm canceling it, the plus is going to become what? Minus, right? So here a check paid but not cleared as per say past. So how much is amount? 4,500. Is this clear? Next. Third one, interest on overdraft not yet entered in the cash book. Interest on overdraft default it will be. Nature is what? Interest on overdraft. Nature is what? It is a nature of. It is a nature of. Interest on overdraft. It is a nature of. See the 4 points and keep in front of you whatever I have given in the notes. Interest on overdraft is a nature of expenditure and default it will be. No, Shruti, it is a expenditure. See the third point. Yes, Chef, you're right. So nature is default. It is a expenditure. It is a nature of expenditure. And default it will be in the books of passbook. So as per passbook, it is showing means I should also take it or not. So it is the nature of expenditure means it is a minus sign. So simply I'm going to take it on a minus sign. So interest on OD as seen in passbook. So how much is amount he said? 200, right? Yes. Next. Bank charges debited in the passbook only. Bank charges, at least this one, someone has to tell me, type it fast. What you people are doing it, type it fast. You have to write as expenses or else just write E or I. Yeah, right. So, bank charges, it's a default, a nature of expenses and default it will be in the, yeah, right. Yeah, right. It will be in the passbook. Right, right. Okay. So now in the passbook, the transaction is shown on the minus side. So when it is shown on the minus side, then I should also take it in the minus side or not. So that is the reason I am going to show it on this side. Okay, understand? So what is that we are going to write here? This is bank charges. So bank charges as seen. Passbook. So how much is amount? Bank charges as per your passbook means it is given 50 rupees. So I'm taking it 50. Is this fine? Next. What is the next one? Bills receivable dishonored on 31st intimated to the customer in the first week of January. So this is a two kind of a transactions I said. So bills receivable means it is the nature of income. And what happened it seems it got dishonored it seems. Matlab bills receivable is being taken in both the books of cash book and a passbook on a plus side. But passbook fellow said that it was dishonored. Dishonored means he cancelled it. So he converted plus into minus. But this one we forgot to send to the information to the cash book. Which book is important for me? Passbook is important. In the passbook, we have cancelled it or not. Then when we have cancelled in the passbook, I should also cancel in the cash book also or not. So that is the reason simply I'm going to go for cancelling means bills receivable antene. It's a plus sign. So cancellation will take a sign of what? Cancellation is going to take a sign of minus. So here I'm going to write as bill receivable as per passbook. As per passbook. So how much is amount as per passbook? 1050. So 50. Okay, done. Next, last one, not last one. Credit side of cash book has been undercast by 370. Credit side means what? Credit side means what? Income side or expenses side? Credit side of cash book. Credit side of cash book. Credit side of cash book. Credit side of cash book means it is a expenses side, right? So he said it is undercast. Undercast and short or equa. Is it by short or is it by more? Undercast. Is it by short or more? Undercast means what? Undercast means by less. So how I know it is? Yeah, right. Tanu. So undercast means it is by short we have. So credit side it seems we have missed one expenses of 370. Undercast ante simple ga ardham cheskondi. We have missed one expenses ani ardham. Okay na? So passbook lo we have been seeing that one, but whereas in the cash book we couldn't able to see it seems. So for me, what is important? My passbook is important. Passbook says there is a shortage of 370, which you have to write it on the expenses side. So that means I should also go for writing it same or not. So that's what I'm going to write here with undercast. Undercast means credit side it is less, means minus side it is less. So that's why we are going to put it a minus. So here I'm going to write as and undercast seen as per passbook. So undercast is seen in the cash book. So how much by it has been undercasted? It is undercasted by 370. Okay, done. Next, insurance premium paid by bank not seen in the cash book. Insurance premium means what? Insurance premium means insurance premium. Insurance premium means it is the nature of expenses and default it will be in the books of passbook only. So here in the passbook there was income expenditure was shown. So when it is showing in the passbook I should also take it or not. So that's what here I'm going to take it up. Again this also falls under this in less side only it is going to be. So here simply insurance premium seen as per passbook you are going to say. So insurance as per Passbook. So how much he said? How much is the amount? 225. Okay, so someone total it. Will you people total it, or that also I should only do it? So total we had only one item plus, and whereas the less side we have lot many items to do. So here when I'm going to do it, this it is going to be around same 2600, and here when I'm going to add 2600, it is going to be how much? 17,220, right? 17,220, is it so? Yeah, right. Then left side you tell me. 17,220. Fine. Now please tell me this side total. Someone tell me. Anybody have found out? 4,500, 5,550, 5,550, 6,395. 6,395. Okay, 6,395. Now minus it and tell me how much is the balance then. Please tell me the balance now. How much is the balance now? 10,825. Okay, fine. So what is the answer? We got it at the last. We got what we have written, overdraft as per passbook. We have written it. So now we are going to write it as overdraft as per cash book. Everything is going to be the same. Just we are going to write as a overdraft as per cash book. So here overdraft as per cash book. That is 10,825. Is this right? Okay, everyone take the screenshots of this one. So this is a question which I'm using from the other textbook. So what you do, I'm going to send few more sums. You just do a practice of all these problems. Fine. And tomorrow I said we will be discussing about the pattern of examination. And anybody have any doubts, you can ask me. We are going to go for discussing about it. So I'm done with this one. I'm not going to tell anything. I'm going to give you the work.